Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we'll be looking into composite functions. Now keep in mind that at very first, what is composite function? So at very first, whenever we turn the simple function into a negative formation, that step is called as composite function. Just suppose that you are given a condition that fx is equal to x square plus 2. So whenever you are doing composite function, what you have to do, you have to take the x as the negative. The function of x would get negative. That probably means that here if the x is positive, so we will turn it into a negative function. Wherever x is formed, turn it into negative. Now here, if we'll turn x into negative, so at last we'll be having three situations or three conditions. Either there would be a condition in which if we'll turn it into the negative form, negative x, so it will again be solved and turned into the actual one. Like here in this situation, whenever we are putting anything in the even power, it automatically becomes positive. So here this function will become positive even function since this negative formation is being cut. So this kind of thing or this kind of function is called even function. Second situation can be that if you're given let me just erase it. Like just suppose that this isn't the x squared, this is the x cube. Now here, if you'll put the negative sign, so it will stay as negative sign. Just suppose that we are taking it as a negative x. Now we won't solve it. We will just consider taking the whole negative sign. After taking whole negative sign, what we'll get? We'll probably get the negative of the actual answer, that is same as the first statement that we stated. Keep in mind that we'll take the whole negative, and if the situation, if the term, that equation that is in the middle of the brackets is same as the first answer, this is called the odd function. And this is the third situation as well, neither even neither odd. In the situation when we are taking the whole negative sign and neither the situation or the equation in between resembles with the actual answer, is known as the neither even neither odd function. Just suppose for a while that you're given a situation here that f of x is probably equal to x upon 2 plus 2. So what we'll do the minus of x upon 2 plus 2. Now after solving this, it will be like upon 2, and then it will become x plus x minus x plus 4. So this is how it will gonna be solved. So after solving it, if we'll take the whole negative sign, is it the same answer as the this one? No. So this is called neither even neither odd function. Let's move on to a brief example of it. Here you could see a table of having all the three equations, sorry. At very first you can see that they have given a simple situation that 3x square plus 8. What you have to do is to do this x negative. After keeping this x negative, we know that in the even function the x can't stay negative, so here it became the positive x again. And if you'll compare the first situation f of x and the last answer, so it both are same, so this is called the even function. If you look into the second equation, so here what happened is basically minus x power 5, that is an odd power, so it won't change into something really different. What it will stay as a negative x after being solved. So if we'll take the whole negative will lead to make the equation as this, plus 4x. This is the whole negative formation. So is this the same situation like this one? No, there's the change in the sign, so this is called the odd function. And in the third situation, you could see in this solution that it is neither even neither odd, that is called the neither even neither odd function. I hope that you get it, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.